Good morning, I'm Alan Hughes with ITV Ice Makers. This morning we're going to talk about the proper cleaning procedures of the Spika MS 440 on the S500 bin. Okay, first thing that you'll want to do is reach behind the machine and turn the power switch to the off position. This will give you access to the top of the machine for the next step in cleaning. In step 4, we're going to add our ice machine cleaner into the sump tank by simply just pouring it into the tank itself. In step 5, you'll want to push the switch to the wash position. This will allow the water pump to come on and circulate the cleaner over the evaporator and through the water circuit. You'll want to do this for about 30 minutes. Okay. In step 6, we'll want to open the bin door and remove all the ice out of the bin, and then take a cloth with a mild cleaner and wipe out the inside of the bin so that you get all of the any material that is inside the bin cleaned out of it. In our next step 7, we'll need to close the bin door and turn the switch to the off position. This will stop the water pump. In step 8, we'll want to remove the water curtain in front of the evaporator plate. Once you've removed this, you'll want to take your damp cloth and make sure that you clean any mineral deposits that may have collected on the inside of the tray. Okay, in step 9, we'll want to remove the ice thickness control from the unit, just turning it slightly so that you can take your cloth and make sure that you clean any mineral deposits that may be on the stainless part of the switch so that you make a good contact with the water. And once you've cleaned it, just go ahead and reinstall it back on the machine. Okay. In step 10, we are going to remove the water pan from the unit. Simply pull the tabs in to the center, pull it towards you, drop it down, pull it out. Take your damp cloth and clean the inside of the tray out to remove any mineral deposit that may be left inside. Once you're finished with that, you can turn around, put the pan back into the unit. Securing that the tabs are up and on the ledges. In step 12, we'll need to reassemble the machine so that we can put it back into production. You'll need to reinstall the water curtain, making sure that it is fit into the tabs. You'll need to turn the switch to the front to the ice position. Then you'll need to reinstall the front panel to the unit, making sure to snap it into place. And then finally reaching to the back and turning the unit back on, starting the unit back into the ice production mode. Now that we finally have reassembled the machine, we have cleaned it, and it's ready to go back into production. We've turned the power switch on. The ITV recommendation is that you capture the first batch of ice and dispose of it properly so that no one can become ill. Thank you.